Hey everybody, I am back, and as promised I'm going to do as quickly as I can, a recap of every hit that came out of my case of 2018 USA Stars and Stripes baseball. I'm not going to show the parallels. There's the longevity like hollow full, which is numbered to 99. Pulled two numbered to 25 and two numbered to 10. I actually don't even have these right here with me, so these are just autographs and or mem combos. Alright, let's get started. I'm going to start off with the silhouettes. Most of these are numbered to 199. There are a few exceptions. So Menifee, Lang, 2 Grant Koch. I don't know why I can't say that, but gray and white. Alex Fado, Brendan McKay, not bad. Ryan Weathers, John Olson, Steele Walker, Bryce Tucker. Then we have Ethan Hankins, Joseph Charles, Wesley Scott, Reynel Delgado, he's on the way up, David Peterson, Michael Saani, Matthew Liberatore, and Keston Ura, which I actually need to change this case. I finally got some new top loaders in. This one's huge. That the Keston was like the most valuable of that stack. I think it was even worth more than the McKay. Out of the whole case, there are only 2 back cards: Taylor Walls and Braden Schumach. This one's numbered out of 20, and this one out of 49. Alright, let's take a look at the black gold. So these are basically like the silhouette. Well, they are silhouettes, but they are shorter print and they're black gold. So Grant Taylor to 89, Robert Moore to 89, Nick Meyer to what is that? 89. Joshua Hartle, 64. That's a weird number. Christian Cairo to 39. Nick Meyer, 89. Stephen Hood, 39. Conager Sands, 39. Joshua Hahn, 39. Alec Thomas, 84. Victor Medeiros, 39. And then we have this Casey Mize, which was nice, to 89. I think that's it. No, one more. Ian Meha. This is a crazy looking patch, numbered 10 out of 10. So a black gold patch there. Then we have, let's pull this. What we got going on here? Got stuff in wrong stacks. This goes there. These tools of the trade with some sweet patches. Adam Hazley, this is to 19. Liberatore to 25. Kumar Rocker to 25. That belongs there. Cole Wilcox to 25. Bryce Tucker to 25. Other short print stuff, super short print. Joseph Menifee Button, numbered 1 of 8. Grant Taylor Button, 2 of 8. Okay, and here were some really good looking auto patch combos. Ryan Bertrand, this is a dirty one too. I like this one. It's 5 of 5. Blaine Enlow, good looking patch, red ink auto to 25. Tim Cate, 25. Alec Thomas, red ink out of 25. John Olson green ink, 25. Tyler Frank black ink to 20. And Tristan Casas, this is a sweet card. Green ink, a really good looking patch, numbered to 25. Alright, last we have a heck of a stack of autographs. We'll run through these and be done. Reese Hines to 141. Reynel Delgado to $4.99. Most of these are $4.99. I don't think I'm going to call those out. I think I'll just tell you if it's something other than $4.99. Jeremy Ironman, Liberatore, Sani, Dallas Wolfholt, Caden Grenier, Nick Meyer, Bryce Tucker, Connor Pilkington, Carter Young. Yeah, that's $4.99. Grant Koch, Cole Wilcox, Dallas Wolfholt, so there's 2 of those. Ryan Weathers, Steele Walker, Anthony Sigler, Mason Denneberg, Jake McCarthy, JT Ginn, Alec Thomas, Carter Young, Tyler Holton, Ethan Hankins, Tristan Casas, a good one. It looks like it has one of my dogs. Oh, okay. Yeah. I hate one of the hardest things about having pets when you collect cards is making sure you keep your cards hair free, pet hair free. Riley Gilliam. It's a task, that's for sure. This one's to $4.99, and here is the blue ink version to $25. Trevor Haskins to $23. Wesley Scott, red ink to $10. Sam Saani to $25. Kumar Rocker out of $4.99. Destin Worthy, red ink out of $10. Joseph Menifee, red ink, also out of $10. Thomas Spillane, green ink out of 5, 2 out of 5. And my final 2, and these are my favorite cards, with the Frank Thomas 1 out of 25 on card alumni signatures. Love, 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 love this. And then just out of interest, this Chinese Taipei Kaye Niu, I guess. I hope I didn't butcher that. Just a really cool card. It's a sweet looking patch. Just love that international look to the card. Great autograph. And it's numbered 11 out of 11. This was really, really, really cool. I'm missing something here. Hang on just a second. I'm missing some stuff. Okay, yeah, I was missing a ton of stuff. I forgot I had already put some stuff in my boxes, so this might be kind of unorganized from this point on. Yeah, wow, I completely forgot about this stuff. All right, let's keep going. Landon Marceau, this is to 25. It's a good card there. Bryce Terang, another nice hit there. Nick Madrigal, really good card there. And this is an interesting one. Ended up with 2 Jared Kalenic autographs, which is very sweet. But what's interesting about this one is it is dated 2017 and was released in the 2018 product. And this is the regular 2018. Both of these were good cards. And so are these. Casey Mize, both. The blue ink and the black ink. Materials, signatures. Both numbered out of $2.99. These are some more of the material signatures. That's what I was missing, like a whole stack of these. Kumar Rocker, Grant Koch, Tyler Frank, red ink. Most of these are $2.99 to $2.99. Travis Swaggerty, Sean Weimer, Nick Meyer, Tim Cate, two of these, blue and black ink. Landon Marceau, another Clinic. So that was another sweet card there. Oh, I really like this Seth Beer. This is a patch to 25 patch autograph. Jake McCarthy patch auto to 25. Nick Springle red ink patch auto to 25. This is another good card. Nick Madrigal. This is to $2.99. Yeah, this one books at $40 just for this one alone. I know some people don't care about book values, but in case you do, another Seth Beer, sweet. And two, Bryce Terang. Both of those are to $2.99. Tristan Casas, sweet, and John Olsen. So that is everything. I knew it seemed like something was missing there. I wanted to show you guys that 2017 Jarred Kelenic autograph. When I didn't see that, it reminded me I'd already put some stuff away. That's it. That's what you get. Or you can pretty much expect to get similar results if you buy a case of 2018 Stars and Stripes baseball. I think it's a lot of value for the money. I'm happy I bought that case, and I actually might buy another. I don't know. I may wait and pick up a case of 2019, which is really just around the corner. We'll see. I don't know. Again, I think there's a lot of value for the money here. I didn't leave feeling, kind of ripped off like you can with other cases. I felt like I got a lot of stuff. It was a lot of fun. You knew the hits were going to keep coming, and just looking at these sweet patches is just a lot of fun. A lot of fun. And super short prints. And then stuff like this. And this, I mean, come on. Love it. Anyways, that's it. That's the recap. It ran a little bit longer than I planned. But yeah, there was a lot of hits in this case. So thanks for watching, everybody. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. And hit that little bell if you want to be alerted to new posts. I try to get up at least one. But I shoot for 2 videos a day if I can. Some days are crazier than others. I work pretty hard, but I do my best to try to get 2 a day because I'm a card crackhead and I open a lot of cards. So, alright, everybody take care. Be good to yourself. Be good to others. I'll be back soon.